humanly thin torso and a...
Shut up. Anyway, we are going to be watching a analog horror together, so I love the warp.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the local police department. If you are hearing or viewing this message, there is good reason to believe you may be in danger. Around 4:24 p.m., we started receiving multiple reports of people seeing how one or more men are looking at them through their windows. These men usually vary in appearance, but it is usually difficult to identify them, and many times they are in areas where there is no light and there are no people either. We believe that these hallucinations are caused by a recent chemical outbreak in a lab near town that released what is believed to be an experimental gas that gives this sense of paranoia and that takes the form of these men due to the recent release of the horror movie Those Who Stare Back. If you start seeing these men outside your window, try to get some sleep, and that should ease the symptoms. Finally, remember, nothing is real, nothing can hurt you.
What about me? What about me? Civil danger.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the local police department. If you are hearing or viewing this message, there is good reason to believe you may be in danger. At around 5:10 in the afternoon, we began to receive a considerable amount of reports of missing people who mysteriously disappeared after presenting the symptoms of the gas that civilians refer to as paranoia gas. We believe that a group of real people are taking advantage of the symptoms caused by paranoia gas to kidnap various people, posing as men who are usually visible outside the window of the people who have been hit by the aforementioned gas. For this very reason, we will take new preventive measures to avoid more disappearances during this situation.
Like what?
The new security measures are, once you present the symptoms of paranoia gas, block your windows, lock your doors. If you go to sleep, also lock the door of your room, and even if necessary, try to check if the supposed men outside your window are indeed hallucinations. One of the measures to verify is taking a photo, a video, or even making a video call with someone who can verify if they also see what you see. Usually,
That says
hallucinations cannot be seen through photos or videos, and people who have not been reached by the gas will not see what you think is there. Finally, if everything indicates that the men outside your house are real people, contact the authorities and they will come to your home. If you want, you can keep a weapon nearby in case someone tries to enter your property. The use of a firearm is only allowed if they have already entered your house. Hopefully these new measures will...
Hey, Mom! Does a Nerf gun count as a weapon? Does a Nerf gun count as a weapon?
Only if you can hit someone in the eye or in the pee bump or something.
What about kitchen knives? Okay, good. So, we're safe from these things, right?
Reduce the risks as the way to cure hallucinations is discovered. Stay calm. Stay safe. This message is being transmitted at the request of the local police department. If you are hearing or viewing this message, there is good reason to believe you may be in danger. Around 5:57 p.m., we began to receive reports that people affected by the paranoia gas were beginning to see the men not outside their window, but inside their homes. Beginning to feel more than ever that they were observed, they saw shadows in the peripheral view, and even swore that things in their home were moving.
Hey, Mom! What the heck does what is that?
At their window, but inside their homes, beginning to feel more than ever that they were observed.
Mom, what's peripheral vision? What is that? I'll get answers for you soon. I think it's like the corner of your eye or something.
And even swore that things in their home were moving. They no longer felt safe in their own house. If you are experiencing something like this, we recommend that you go to an unaffected person's house to relieve the feeling of discomfort and insecurity. Being accompanied has been shown to be an effective method of relieving the horrible feeling. Our officers have been investigating during the last hours the laboratory from which we suspect the paranoia gas came out, nicknamed like this by civilians after feeling the overwhelming sensation of being watched at all times. Reports of missing persons continue to increase. If you've been hit by the paranoia gas and have no one to be with, try to be close to a phone at all times and in a safe place. We will update soon. Stay vigilant. Stay safe.
How do I do that? Another? Bro, it's 8 p.m. Let me sleep. I'm trying to sleep.
Transmitted at the request of the local police department. If you are hearing or viewing this message, there is reason to believe you may be in danger. They are not hallucinations. What we thought were hallucinations caused by a gas accidentally released from a laboratory has been shown to not be a hallucination and doesn't even have to do with the gas. Whatever is causing these appearances we believe to be something more related with the paranormal, is killing or making multiple civilians disappear. This is no longer just visual. These men are...
No, like imagine if you just saw this in your home. Or worse yet. Or this. I'm coming towards you. Alright, what's next, bro?
Living shadows that attack their victims no matter where they are in town. There is no proven weapon that shows that they can deal with these entities. We can no longer do anything to ensure your life or safety. Stay with your family. It is more complicated for them to attack groups of people. Places full of people are ideal to have more chances of surviving. Until we discover a way to eliminate these entities. Stay in groups and stay tuned. If we can, we will update these messages. Stay calm. Stay safe.
How do I do that, bro?
Sweetie, I'm gonna send you down a sweatshirt and some pants, okay?
Okay. Oh, great. Bro, it's 10 p.m. Let me sleep.
Transmitted at the request of the government of the United States of America. If you are seeing or listening to this message, pay close attention. Yesterday at 11:43 p.m., we received a message from your local police department. After much investigation and thanks to a classified government organization, we were able to conclude that the entities that threaten your town and your human integrity can be eradicated with radiation. For this reason, we have decided that the best response to this problem is to lightly bomb your town to prevent the threat from spreading across the United States. You must pack your most important things and go to the evacuation centers where you will be transported to a safe place.
Why am I bombing my
You
town?
will have to sign a confidentiality agreement. Since we cannot allow this threat to become known around the world, any reference to the events that occurred in this town and its entities...
Why do I have to do that? Why can't I just, like, buy uranium?
11 p.m. at the evacuation centers will be denied as the bombing will occur 10 minutes later. Anyone who tries to pass the evacuation points without registering will be executed. Good luck.
Oh, dang. What about children, bro? What about children?
Hello, everyone. Red EAS speaking. I wanted to thank you all for the support you have given to my
Alright, let's watch another one. Turkey and fungus go hand in hand. Bro, what? What in the name of Kane X Moon, bro? Bro, call? No, I'm not calling you. The frog. Oh, I thought that said the frog. I was like, bro.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. If you are seeing or hearing this message, there is good reason to believe that you may be in danger. Around
Again?
7:48 p.m., we recorded a rainfoot heading this way. This rainfoot could be potentially dangerous due to its strength and size. To ensure your safety, lock your doors, cover your windows, have a flashlight and a battery radio nearby, and do not leave home after this transmission is over. This transmission will repeat itself every 5 minutes. Stay calm. Stay safe.
How do I do that, bro? Oh, several minutes later. Oh. Bro, it's 8 p.m. again. Let me sleep.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. If you are hearing
I'm
this
trying to
message,
sleep.
it is highly likely that you are in imminent danger. A few minutes ago, reports of humanoid creatures roaming the streets during the recent weather phenomenon have been on the rise, and with it, the sightings too. The creatures have entered some houses to kill people, and for this reason. Currently, these creatures are branded as hostile and civilians must avoid any contact with these creatures. New measures will be taken in order to guarantee your survival. These creatures are described as tall humanoid beings, without facial expression and pale skin, long claws and thin bodies. Although these creatures do not have a mouth, they produce a type of scream similar to that of an adult man, and despite not having eyes, they demonstrate have moderate vision and fairly good hearing. To guarantee your survival, you must follow the following steps. Turn off all the lights outside your house. This will minimize the risk of your house being targeted. Carry a powerful firearm with you. They have been shown to be effective in severely damaging the creature.
I'm sorry, we don't have firearms here. All we have is like the knives that we use to like chop onions and that stuff, bro.
Put a barricade on your door. This will slow down the creatures in case they try to enter and give you time to attack or escape. Preferably pack in a backpack supplies to survive a few days in case of the worst circumstances. Turn off the lights of any room that does not have a covered or barricaded window. Be as quiet as possible and do not let them see you. Finally, remember that all police, fire or medical services will be disabled due to the abnormal number of calls received. As soon as possible, a creature elimination team will be sent. This will be the last transmission until further notice. May God protect you all.
That's not something I want to hear on my EAS alarm. Oh, look at how many people died. Wee-hee! Wait, hold up. Why can't there just be like a little weird number? The fog.
Hey, it's Ryan Reynolds.
I don't care. You're not
Spend as little as possible.
Ryan Reynolds.
Pass more savings to customers.
I swear to God, stop and put... You don't even look like him, bro. Yes, I know. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. I thought that was night for a second.
You are listening to No Weather Radio Station KHB 49 in San Francisco, operating on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz. This station is operated by the National Weather Service in San Francisco from the tower at Mount Pice, near Redwood City, and serves the San Francisco Bay Area. The current time is 3:02 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
3 a.m.
The following is the weather statement for the following areas: San Francisco, the North Bay Interior Valleys, and the San Francisco Bay Shoreline. Dense fog advisory in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? San Francisco, North Bay Interior Valleys, and San Francisco Bay Shoreline.
That don't sound good.
Until 11 a.m. this morning. Impacts: hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. A dense fog advisory means visibility will frequently be reduced to 1/4 of a mile or less.
Bro,
If
you
driving,
need to
slow
hide.
down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. And now for the 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time observations for the San Francisco and Monterey Bay areas on Friday. At San Francisco Airport, it was cloudy with fog. Temperature 45. Dew point 44. Relative humidity 96%. West wind at 5 miles per hour. Pressure 30.2 inches and steady. At Oakland Airport, it was mostly cloudy with fog. Temperature 46.
This is boring. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's good, I guess. Same location, same day. Okay. Thank goodness. Okay.
This is KNBR 680, San Francisco's sports leader. Just like the rest of you folks, we are hyped for Super Bowl 57 this coming Sunday. The 49ers are back in the Super Bowl for the second time in 4 seasons, looking to beat the statistical favorites to win it all.
Bro! Alright, I guess I gotta end it. Bye, bro.